there, fella.
Hey man, where the weed at?
It couldn't get any better than this.
The bar, man.
Best king you ever...
Hey, ain't this fun?
You won't be needing no fancy.
Brandy, goddammit, get the brandy!
The show must go on.
Goodbye, cruel world!
Are you blind?
Time to take your sorry ass to rehab, you drunken idiot.
Am I still the top rapper, dude?
Best there ever was. Second to nobody else, homeboy. And the name's Carl.
Thanks, Carl.
Fantastic, you hit.
I need more brandy.
Where'd you get your license, asshole?